Nacho pizza. So for every French bread pizza, par toast lightly the French bread itself so it's extra crispy before you put your toppings on so it won't get soggy in the middle. While it's still warm, rub the garlic into the bread so it has that beautiful garlic flavor. This is just canned refried beans. I buy spicy vegetarian refried beans. I add a fresh jalapeno, an onion, and some garlic, cook it down, add water, the canned beans. Then to that, I season it up with a little cumin and a little Tabasco or Frank's Red Hot. And you can see those bits of cooked jalapeno in there. Really good. This is delicious bean dip too, by the way. You could just put it out with chips and a pot of queso cheese on the side. But today we're making a French bread pizza with it. Now I have Mexican chorizo. Mexican chorizo, okay, is raw. Spanish chorizo is cooked. You still cook with it, but you can eat it right out of the package. You cannot eat Mexican chorizo out of the package. You must cook it, just heads up there. And they make it in pork or beef by request. Jeanette Douay asked for pork chorizo today. Yeah, baby. And then we're gonna top that with cheddar and pepper jack for our cheeses. Spicy pepper jack. Yeah. That's a crazy meat lover's pizza right there, I tell you that. Here is our Nacho French bread pizza. And we're gonna top him with homemade or store-bought pico de gallo. This is homemade. Pico de gallo. Yeah. Okay, and then, of course, some guacamole. I know. Okay, and for me, I have to have some pickled jalapenos on them, boys. Yes, I do. A little sour cream. I know no matter what, the food is gonna be good.